Hi and welcome to session 4. I hope you're having a good time meditating. Yes, you heard me right. You can have an absolutely fun time meditating because the more you do of this, the more you realize that peace, happiness, and fulfillment is all within you. All our lives we look outside for happiness, and then through this practice you discover you've had this treasure within you all along, just waiting for the right key to unlock the treasures within. So let's continue this journey. Sit down comfortably. Take a few slow, deep breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm, breathing in and out through your nose again. Gently close your eyes and move your attention now back to the breath. Not controlling the breath, not holding on, not trying to breathe. Just trust your body. Allow your body to breathe in whatever way it wants to. And experience the breath completely. I know this can be challenging because usually we are either unaware of our breath and not controlling it, or we are aware of the breath and trying to control it. Here you're trying something completely different. You're noticing the breath, very aware of all the sensation, but not doing anything, not initiating or controlling the breath. If the breath is short, that's okay. If the breath is long, that's fine too. No matter what the rate or the rhythm of your breath, regular or irregular, short or long, just experience it. Don't get frustrated by a restless mind. Just notice when it's restless. And as much as possible, keep returning your mind back to the breath as many times as needed. Moving your attention to the contact between your body and the chair. And slowly and gently opening your eyes. You're doing something that has been discovered by a lot of successful people around the world today. Industry leaders, sports legends, people who have attained excellence in all walks of life have discovered that meditation is the single biggest skill they can learn to lead a more productive, happier life. So restlessness, boredom, impatience, all of these are expected challenges on your meditation journey. So don't stop, keep at your practice. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 5.